A lot of choosing ones are passing through hell right now. A lot of choosing ones, especially the ones that are still coming up in this spiritual journey, they are passing through a lot now. A lot of destiny swapping, a lot of tampering with somebody's energy, a lot of tampering with somebody's spiritual alignment is seriously going on now. Any chosen one that is coming up now, if you see that person, please reach out to that person anywhere, anyhow you know you can help that person. Please help that person. These people are passing through a lot. These people are facing lots of confusion. These people, so many people have led them astray. So many of them don't even know how to make a U-turn to start correcting the mistakes that they have made, because most of them has really made so many mistakes. Most of them has really put their legs where they are not supposed to put their legs. When I tell you people that if you have a call, if you have calling, and you are sure you have calling, you are sure you are not the one that called yourself, my sister, my brother, do not rush into it. Don't think you can get help from this online. Yes, there are good ones online, but please, in order for you not to make a mistake even before you notice it, it is better for you to start at home. Start from your father's house. Don't come and start giving me excuses. Mama, Adandibo, all my father's people, they have all entered church. They are evil people there. They are not good people there. There is nobody to ask. If there is nobody to ask, start the research by yourself. You cannot tell me that entire village, you will not see just one person you have to ask questions about your lineage. Be careful about any online. Be careful. I've gotten so many complaints. So many of them are crying. So many of them, the real truth is that they don't even know how to speak out. They are not bold enough to come and speak out what they are passing through, what they have gone through, what somebody they felt that the person can be of help to them has done to them. Because they fear that when they speak out, people will end up blaming them. All these people that are coming up now, they are passing through a lot. They are going through a lot. And if you are here, please be careful how you step into so many things. Be very, very careful. Start from your home. Start from your village. Start from your lineage. Go back to your ancestral land. That is where your help will come from. Because your calling came from your ancestral lineage. That is the same place you are going to get help. Go and start aligning with your ancestral deities, spirits, whichever one you call it. Stop aligning with any foreign spirit. Stop aligning with any foreign deity. That you went to do osago in somebody's house. Because of that, you now start aligning with the person's ancestral spirit. What happened to your own ancestral spirits? And you think after aligning, anything that has nothing to do with you is foreign. You think after aligning with a foreign deity, a foreign spirit, that your own ancestral spirit or deity is going to just let you be like that. You are creating a spiritual warfare for yourself, but you don't know it. Please go home. Go home. Adandibo is my name.